I get here?
Whoa! How did I get here? Oh, Bryce!
Well, what do these buttons do?
Well, one of these buttons sent us here, so I don't know what they do.
Let's find out.
Oh no.
Let's see what this one right here does. Where did this yo-yo go from? Jake's not gonna like Yummy soda.
This Yummy soda, not coming.
Let's open it up and see what it does.
Can I have it for my own fidget box? Right, look, the packet said Eliza.
Maybe we should try it. I'm really good at yo-yos, Ella.
Can I please have it?
After this, let's see if this thing works.
Can I try now? Wait, you can hypnotize someone with that.
Oh, I messed it up.
Right, that is so awesome. It even got tie-dye.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I kind of want to keep it. Alright, so you put your finger in here and you pull up super fast.
Two?
I guess two, so it's nice and snug. Put it like a baseball, yeah, and then you throw it down and then you pull up super fast.
This is
not
my
hard.
first time playing with the yo-yo.
You did it! Here, I'm gonna try again. It ran out of slack. Alright, Ella, let's get back to pressing those buttons.
Bryce, if that yo-yo was in one of those buttons, what do you think is in all the other buttons?
Alright, Ella, since I pushed the last one, what button are you gonna push?
This one looks pretty good.
What you have to do is you have to go over to our Facebook page and comment on the t-shirt post.
Yeah, they're light blue. They're dark blue, I meant. And they're also
There's
light
pink,
and
red, and black.
Now guess what?
And dark pink.
Guess what?
What?
Yeah.
You also have to be subscribed to our YouTube channel in order to get one of these free t-shirts. So go over to Facebook at Ella Kate Murphy and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Ella Kate Surprise Me.
Wait, if I press the button, then you will go away?
I don't know.
You didn't want that here. I did press my button, now it's your turn to press your button.
All
Now when
right.
you're done to press.
What happened? Whoa!
Oh.
Oh, look at it, squish yums. There's 7 in a pack.
Wait, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Let's open it up.
Wait, I counted from 6 to 7, 8, 9, 10.
Whoa, these could actually be fidgets too.
Whoa, look at the cool case.
You want to see?
Yeah, but they're also exclusive when you can color in here. Wow. I have this,
I want the cat and the seal.
and I want this one and this one. They,
Rub, rub, rub.
oh, they're so cute.
Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Guys, we can actually color these ones. Oh, guys, this one will weigh a narwhal because it got that horn in it, a whale, I think.
This one looks like a sheep because it has a little crunkly stuff.
This one will weigh the squirrel because it has a little curly part. You can't see it. And
I think this is a, yeah, it's a squirrel. This one looks like a hedgehog.
this one will weigh the catfish with the dolphin with the tail. A mermaid tail.
This one looks like a seal. Oh no! What just happened?
What did fidgets disappear? The cute babies! Where did our babies went?
Ella, we need to press another button to get more fidgets. Press one.
Okay. Okay, if this one, it went, made the babies went away so they might come back. Right,
Well, I've seen a pretty cool trick you can do with Pop-Its.
Wait, I know that trick.
You push them all down.
Yeah, one.
And then you go like this.
Bryce, I never seen that trick before. How did you learn that?
That was my Pop-It. I just was playing around and I pulled it and then that happened.
Wow. Now I will do it.
Simple, simple, pop and squeeze, pop and squeeze. Oh, pop and squeeze, pop and squeeze. Oh, pop and squeeze, pop and squeeze. Simple, simple, pop and squeeze, pop and squeeze.
Guys, Bryce, I really like the rainbow butterfly because it got numbers or letters. Let's flip it over to the back.
Ella, this is like my yellow one I have. Do you think they're so popular at night? Since this is a unicorn and that's a butterfly, you can have it.
Okay, thank you. I did start my new fidget box. And now, guys, it's my turn to try.
All right, Ella, I think we should press our next button.
Ugh, this keep on popping up.
Well, let's press our next button and see what pops up.
Whoa! Oh, they're little baby donuts we can put on a keychain.
Ella, I think these are called squishies.
Yeah, these are the fun ones. Do you think they scented? This one smells like popcorn.
Oh, you're right.
You're not really a
This
big
one-
fan, though.
I smell this one. You should try. Oh.
It has a cute face on it, Bryce.
What?
Where
did the squishies go?
They gave me our son, I got one. Bryce, I really want those squishies. Do you think we can press the button and it will come back? What one was it?
This one.
Whoa! There was one. Okay, cat.
Whoa! One foot behind us.
Oh, I got it. A drink and some cake. Rainbow cake.
These are super satisfying to squish. Let's see how small I can make it.
Let's see how
Whoa!
small I can make mine.
You guys want to see that again? Because it kind of popped up on its own. Ooh.
Do you guys want to see mine again? Whoa!
So,
Yeah. Bryce, we got 2 miniature donuts. We can put these on our keychain.
Ella, what happens if we push these with our foreheads at the same time on different buttons?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Whoa!
I guess I got these.
These look like they came from my fidget box.
Yeah.
Because all of these fidget spinners in this thing I have. What if we're taking these from some kids? I don't think so.
Bryce, I added to my fidget closet, so I get to have one of these. Very good. Very good.
This one's one of my favorite. It increases your hand strength. Also, you can use it while you're in the doctor's office or when you're in the bus or the classroom when you just need something to work with. Look it, I'm gonna try to get a loud one. Ella, you wanna see a spinner trick?
Nice! Look what I got back. The donut! Guys, I got the donut back. Whoa! Bryce, I think this will be our last button because if we put too many fidgets buttons, then we don't have too many fidgets. Wait, press. Whoa! I think I pressed every single one. That's why they're 2 color on this.
Oh, look, it's a wacky trick. I'll show you what it does. You go like this.
Can I have it?
1 second, I'm showing you. Okay, you can make little patterns with it. It makes a cool clicking noise as you move it. Alright. and then you can go, and it would get all mixed up, and you can go boo. All right, here you go.
Bryce, this is very fun, but wanna know what my favorite is? You can take them out apart and you can bend them.
The wacky track?
Yeah. Well, that was fun play with all the like buttons and fidget. I challenge you.
I challenge you guys to push the buttons and see what you guys can get from the buttons.